Welcome back, dear kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. And I hope you have seen my previous video. It was about letter H. So children, do you remember which is the first letter of English alphabet series? It is the letter A. Letter A. Letter A is the first letter of English alphabet series. Can you make the letter sound? I can show you how. What letter shall we learn today? Let us find out now. Can you make the letter sound? I can show you how. What letter shall we learn today? Let us find out now. Let's meet the letter I. It is the 9th letter of English alphabet series. It is the 9th letter of English alphabet series. Letter I has two sounds. Letter I has two sounds. Short sound and the long sound. I says I. I says I. It is the short sound. And I says I. It is the long sound. I says I. It is the long sound. Now let's see the words that starts with the letter I. That starts with the letter I. I for igloo, igloo. I for igloo, igloo. I for inkpot, I for inkpot. I for inkpot, inkpot. I for inkpot, inkpot. I for India. I for India. It is the name of our country. India is the name of our country. Now next picture. I for insect. I for insect. I for imagination. I for imagination. I for iguana. I for iguana. I for injury. I for injury. Now let's see the long sound words. That is I. I for island. I for island. I for ice cream. Yummy, yummy ice cream. I for idea. I for idea. I for iron. I for iron. I for eyes. I for eyes. Now let's see the meaning of some difficult words that we have learned today. First word is island. Island. Children, please repeat after me. Island. Island मतलब द्वीप. द्वीप ऐसा जगह होता है जैसा कि आप पिक्चर में देख रहे हो, 5 समुद्र के बीच में एक छोटा सा लैंड को द्वीप बोलते हैं और इंग्लिश में से बोलते हैं आइलैंड. आई फॉर आइलैंड. सेकेंड वर्ड इज इमेजिनेशन. इमेजिनेशन. इमेजिनेशन मतलब कल्पना करना. कभी कभी आप सोचते हो कि पापा ऑफिस में जाए और आते वक्त हमारे लिए बहुत सारे चॉकलेट्स गिफ्ट्स लेके आए, तो उसे इंग्लिश में इमेजिनेशन बोलते हैं. मेरे साथ एक बार बोलिए आप सभी. इमेजिनेशन. I for imagination. Third word is इंजरी। इंजरी, इंजरी का मतलब होता है चोट लगना। कभी कभी आप पार्क में जाते हैं, खेलते हैं तो चोट लग जाती है, साइकिलिंग करते हैं, रोड पे गिर जाते हैं तो आपको चोट लग जाती है, उसे इंग्लिश में इंजरी कहते हैं। I for iguana. I for iguana. It is a green colored lizard जो सारे देशों पे नहीं पाए जाते हैं, ये अमेरिका के कुछ स्टेट्स में ही पाए जाते हैं। I for ice. आइस का मतलब तो आपको पता ही होगा, आप सबके फ्रिज में पाया जाता है। I for India. India is the name of our country. Now let's sing the phonic song from A to I, okay? Children, are you ready? Please sing along with me, okay? A for apple, apple. B for ball, ball. C for cat, cat. D for dog, dog. E for elephant, elephant. F for fish. G for gorilla, gorilla. H for hat, hat. I for igloo, igloo. I for igloo, igloo. Now let's see the story of letter I. There was a little boy. His name was Ishan. Ishan. On his table there was an ink pot. Ink pot. Inside the ink pot there was an ink. Was drawing a picture of igloo. Igloo. Now, what is igloo? Do you know, children? It is a snow house. It is made up of snow. After a while, he went out to a park. What he saw there? He saw so many insects. And what do insects do? Itching. He also saw an iguana. Now, what is an iguana? It is a green colored lizard. So he got scared and he rushed to his house. So children, now let's see how to write the letter I. See here, there are 4 lines. First and the fourth line is the red line and second and third line is the blue line. आपने पहले क्लास में भी देखा था कि हमें स्टार्ट करना है रेड लाइन से. We should always start from the red line. So let's write. So put your pencil on the red line and draw a straight standing line till the blue line. Then go back to the top again and make a sleeping line. One standing line and 2 sleeping line makes the letter I. Let's do it one more time. One standing line and 2 sleeping lines makes the letter I. I says E. And what is the long sound of I? I says I. I says I. Let's write it one more time. Standing line and 2 sleeping line makes the letter I. Standing line and two sleeping line makes the letter I. I says I says E. I says I says E. Now children, let's start the activity. Today we are going to make an ice cream with the help of a clay. And if you don't have a clay, you can make it with a atta dough. Okay. Now let's start. First we will make a rope like with the help of these three clays. Keep it on the table and roll it. Now join these three rope-like structures like this. Isn't it look like a triangle? Now with the help of this red color clay, make a circle. Roll it and make it long as you can. Now join the two ends of this rope and make a circle like this. Now take a small portion from this dough and make a small ball like structure. Ice cream is ready. Now children, it's your turn. Please try to make the image of an ice cream with the help of a clay. Now it's question answer round. Children, please tell me which letter is this? This is the letter D. This is the letter D. Now second letter. This is the letter. Try to identify. This is the letter C. And which is the first letter of English alphabet series? It is the letter A. And what is the sound of the letter F? F says And can you say any two words that starts with the letter H? H for, please try. H for hen, H for hat, H for hut, H for hands. So children, today we have learned about the letter I, its sounds and their related words. So please learn the words and try to complete the activity. And send the pictures to your class teacher. So that's all for today children. Bye-bye.